Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. If you're getting the Minecraft error code, drowned and you're unable to sign into your account, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Today, I'm going to show you a few simple and effective methods to fix this issue. Now, this error usually appears for two main reasons. Either there's a problem with the Minecraft servers, or there's an issue with authenticating your Microsoft account. So let's start fixing it step by step. Method 1. Sign out and sign back in. First of all, try launching the Minecraft application and simply sign out of your Microsoft account, then sign back in again. If this option is not available for you, or if you've already tried this and it didn't work, then move on to the next method. Method 2. Clear Xbox Identity Cache. Now, come over to the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. In the Run box, type %appdata% and press Enter. From here, click on the App Data folder at the top, then go into Local. Scroll down and open the Packages folder. Inside Packages, find the folder named Microsoft.Xbox Identity Provider, and double-click it. Now open the AC folder, then open Token Broker. Inside this folder, delete everything you see. I've already cleared mine, which is why it's empty. Once done, close this window. Method 3. Change DNS settings. Next, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Set View by to Category, then go to Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center. From the left side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on the network you're currently connected to, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, then click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, close all windows and try launching Minecraft again. Method 4. Enable Xbox services. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to the Start menu, search for Services and open it. Scroll down until you find the Xbox services. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Networking Service, Xbox Accessory Management Service. Double-click each one, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply and OK, then make sure the service status is set to Running. Repeat this for all Xbox services. Method 5. Check Minecraft server status. Finally, if none of these methods work, open any browser and search for Minecraft server status. Click on the official Minecraft server status page. If any server is down, that could be the reason for this error. In that case, you'll simply need to wait a few hours until Minecraft fixes the server issue. And that's it, guys. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official. If you're still facing issues, drop a comment below, and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.